Hi, I'm Vishal and welcome to my Total SEO Blueprint course. I am really excited to have you on board. I'm going to be your tutor for this entire course. I've been doing SEO for over a decade now, and I've been ranking sites for my own projects and my client projects. I know what it takes to get sites to the top, and I'm going to be sharing all my knowledge with you, everything I've learned over the years. This course is for you if you're just starting out in SEO, or if you're at an intermediate level, and even if you're an advanced SEO, because I'm going to be sharing some tips and some tricks that you've probably never seen before and never read about. A large part of this course is the updates. You see, Google keeps updating things. They keep coming up with algorithm updates. There are new tools in the market. There's new methods. There's new techniques. Things that are discovered by other SEO gurus and other underground forums. I'm going to share all of that with you over here, okay? So make sure you stick with me through this entire course. And not only that, you check back in often. If I send out an announcement, or if I send out an alert on a new tool or a new method, please look at it quickly, because that's going to help you. It's going to help you rank. If you're getting stuck with your rankings, that new technique is probably going to help you move rank quickly. This course is going to teach you how to beat the competition, right? We're going to spy on the competition. We're going to see what kind of SEO they're doing. We're going to reverse engineer what they've done. And then we're going to outrank them for their own keywords. It doesn't matter how long they've been out there for. It doesn't matter if you're new entrants to the niche, if you're new players in the game. Follow along, use my system, and start crushing Google. So if you're just starting out, this is a great place to get a sound footing. If you're an advanced level SEO or an intermediate SEO and you've already been doing some SEO, you can look at some of the tips and the tricks and strategies I use. There's some priceless information out here. I'm going to be teaching you all the different SEO tools out there. I'm going to be teaching you the different techniques, the different methods, what to use, what not to use, what to avoid. I'll start with the very basics of SEO. So if you already know that, you can skip right ahead. But if you're just starting out, nothing could be a better place to get a solid footing. I'll explain all the different SEO concepts to you. So, you hear a lot of the jargon out there that people are using, and you don't understand what's this link juice thing? What's this link velocity thing? What's this disavow thing I keep hearing? What are these Google updates? What's this Google penalty? What's a Google slap? So here I'm going to tell you everything. I'm going to walk you through step by step. I don't leave out anything at all. I know exactly how to teach SEO. I've been doing this for 10 years. I've got a ton of experience working on client projects and working on my own projects. I've ranked hundreds of sites. I've worked with a team, with a large in-house team. I've run my agency. I've worked with remote VAs. I follow a lot of gurus out there, so I know all the techniques that are working, and I keep myself updated. I walk through a lot of these concepts through slides and through my examples, and then I do some walkthroughs where I take you through an actual case study of a project happening. I do my screen records, and you can look over my shoulder and you can see exactly how I do my SEO. You can see exactly how I do my keyword research. You can see exactly how I do my on-page SEO, my off-page SEO, my link building, my getting out of a Google penalty, how I set up my PBNs, what kind of spreadsheets do I use to track my link building, what are the tools I use, how do I set up my VPS server, what are the top tools that are still working, what are the outdated tools, what are the methods that are still working, what methods to avoid, how to avoid these spammy tools that just don't do anything, what Fiverr gigs to go for, what kind of Fiverr gigs to avoid because you can get into a penalty. There's like a ton of stuff out there that's happening in SEO, and it's a rapidly changing field. You need to work with somebody who's experienced, someone who's always up to date with the latest happenings, with the latest tools, with the latest methods, with what Google is releasing, what kind of stuff Google is doing behind the scenes. I know exactly what Google likes and what Google does not like. And I tell you what to follow and what not to follow, what to do and what not to do to get the top rankings. This course is about organic SEO. And if you've got those client projects in place, but your sites are not moving up the ranks, and it's just you're trying everything in the book, but nothing is working, then this is a great training program, because I'm sure you've missed out some of the key concepts and some of the key factors and techniques that are working today. So I hope you join me in this course, because this course is going to help you achieve top rankings. And I'm there to answer any questions you have. regarding SEO, because there's a lot of fluff out there, so you will get confused along the way. So just go ahead and ask me these questions, and I hope to build a great community over here. I am an SEO specialist, and I use almost every tool that's out there, and I rank hundreds of sites, and I've been helping clients for years now. I really look forward to working with you, and I can guarantee that I will clear up all the misinformation that's out there and that you had about SEO, and all this fluff that you've been reading on the forums and following this method and that method, and none of that works. You get confused and you get discouraged. So this course is going to give you all the tricks of the trade, if I can say, and follow along and apply these techniques, and you will get your sites ranking on top. With that said, I really look forward to teaching you and having you part of my community. And please go ahead, please go ahead and ask me questions, because that is an integral part of the training. You can't learn SEO alone. You need to ask questions. I know your situation is going to be different. Things are going to change. I'm going to be releasing updates on a regular basis, because as Google comes up with the updates, certain things stop working, certain tools stop working. I'll always be there to hold your hand right through this course and right through your SEO projects. So I look forward to having you on board, and I'll see you inside, and I'll see you at the top of Google. Bye now.